Keto diet for beginners, your ultimate guide to starting strong. The keto diet is a low-carb, high-fat eating plan designed to help your body enter ketosis, a state where it burns fat for energy instead of carbs. This approach not only supports weight loss but can also boost energy and mental clarity. So why has keto become so popular? Let's dive in. When you drastically reduce carbs, your body switches to burning fat, producing molecules called ketones. This metabolic shift helps regulate your blood sugar levels and increases fat burning. It might sound complicated, but with the right guidance, it's actually simple to achieve and maintain ketosis. Focus on low-carb veggies, healthy fats, like avocado or olive oil, and proteins such as fish, chicken, and eggs. Say goodbye to bread, sugary snacks, and starchy foods. No need to feel deprived. Delicious options like cheese, nuts, and even keto-friendly desserts are on the menu. Start by calculating your daily protein, fat, and carb needs using a keto calculator. Gradually reduce your carb intake to avoid keto flu, a temporary issue some beginners face. Stay hydrated, eat enough salt, and incorporate small workouts for an easier transition into the ketogenic lifestyle. Is keto just another fad? Many think so, but this scientifically backed approach has been around since the 1920s. Concerns about missing nutrients can be tackled with meal planning. And no, keto isn't all bacon and butter, it's about balance and nourishing your body. The keto diet can be life-changing when done right. Take the first step today by planning your meals, stocking up on keto-friendly foods, and setting realistic goals. Subscribe to this channel for more beginner-friendly health tips, and let's make your keto journey a sustainable and successful one. Thanks for watching.